I'm just father, and he tell me that we'll make a video now about massacre. Hi kids. Hello.
I choose the dinosaur.
Hey, that's a crocodile. You little brat.
Oh, is it a crocodile?
That's a dinosaur. That's a crocodile. Yeah, right.
No, that's a
What?
bird.
Bird.
Oh, it's a dragon. It's a dragon.
Bird. Oh, that's my favorite. He's gonna eat you. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot you're my son.
Eat you because I have a big mouth.
Okay, let's go
Then
to the
you.
video. Let's play. Okay, let's play now. Let's play.
I'm gonna hit you.
Bye bye.
Say
Bye bye,
one-
kids. We'll play
Say
now.
one word. I'm
What?
gonna eat you.
I'm gonna eat.
Wah! You say one more word. What?
Oh, you forgot.
What?
You didn't brush it. I smell. Smells like a garbage. Wah! Okay, let's go now. Let's go. We'll play now. Bye bye.
Smells bad.
Bye bye, kids. Oh, there's a monster. Oh, I forgot. That's my face. Bye bye.
By the way, kids, it's Zeus again. Zeus, and by the way, I'm gonna show you all of the master cards, and we're gonna name him Grave Digger, Pirate, Father.
Sorry, hey.
I'm gonna hit you, okay? Oh my God, Grave Digger.
Oh, where's the way?
Yes!
Sorry.
I'm gonna hit you. And Pirate Cursed, Shaker, and Master Mat.
Oh, that mess. Oh, no.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm coughing. And this is Altar Low. Please turn around.
Eh?
Don't show.
Where's your bat? Oh, hey.
I'm gonna eat you.
Saying
Oh
that-
my God.
You
Please.
carried their bat. Okay, bye bye.
I don't care.
Me either.
I don't care.
Okay. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
And this is Watermat, Altar Loco, Zombie, and Megala. Who's that ugly face there?
Hey, son, I'm walking backwards. Ow!
And this is Son of a Digger. And lastly, Max. Shing! Lastly, Max. That's all we got. Hey! I gotta try the sky, bro!
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna throw you, okay?
Okay,
Okay, let's play now.
Bye.
Bye! Ooh. 5,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye.
Huh? Huh?
Hey, we're gonna get
I
dinosaur.
got
It's
it.
our show.
I got
Son, help me. There's a dinosaur right there. Oh, I forgot. This truck is made for dinosaur. Bye-bye. I love you, kiddo. I love you, love you, love you. Oh, sorry. Dito, kiddo.
Hey, you're a boy. Wait a minute. I'm a dinosaur. How do I talk? I forgot. Roar!
Okay.
I die.
I lost my feet. Okay, let's go.
Did you know that your feet is the underground?
Oh, what's the human? Oh, what's the... Oh, forget. That's the human form of stress. Bye-bye.
Wait a minute. I hear something.
Haven't we finished yet? Let's play my sidewalk. Shoes, where are you? Oh, ouch. Okay, bye-bye. Hey. Hey, there you are. Let's go now. Hey, shoes, let's go now. Hurry up. Kiddo. Where's the way going to that? What? I didn't know. Help! Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's go. You first. No Triceratops. Bam! Bam! Okay, right.
Yo! Bastard!
Okay, you repeat. Go down.
Sorry.
It's my turn. Hey, by the way, why do I get those ugly monster truck and yours the good monster truck? Oh, okay. I think he's angry to me.
Your sister won.
I think he's angry also on me. Okay. Hook! The champion! Champion!
That's the truck.
And this is a loser! Loser! Loser!
Hey! I gotta kill this loot.
Okay. By the way, it's also whatever he do, he's always be the loser. Oh! Loser again. He didn't mate on the what? Are you a dog?
I'm a bull.
No, you're not a bull, girl. You're a monkey. You forgot again. Ah!
Yo! You're so ugly!
I'm the champion! And this not the loser.
Hey.
Winner!
Where's my...
Loser!
Hey! I can't show this!
Ouch.
That hurts, right?
You broke my teeth! You threw the cat at me! Oh, I forgot. That's also broken. Bye-bye. Next. It's fine. Okay. Not Toro again. It's a bull without teeth. And this is a garbage collector. Oh no, I'm sorry.
You want me to throw my trash you?
Oh, I forgot it's not a trash.
You have a smoke here.
Yeah. Hey. Okay, it's my turn. No. Oh, that's great. You make a what do you call that? Oh, really?
Wow, that's so ugly.
You have a problem on me? Oh, I'm sorry. You're so big. Next round.
Wait.
By the way, kids, whose kid is that? It's so huge.
How about now?
Hey, you have a bogart. Hey, you have a bogart!
Let's go.
Okay. Mine. Can you please give me the monster truck? Oh! It fire skirts! Fire skirts! Fire skirts!
Wow, that's so ugly.
No, you didn't know who I am. I'm the one who sing the SpongeBob
You're
song.
bored.
Hey! What is the pineapple under the sea?
Wash, SquarePants.
Smash! SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants!
No,
Wait,
gonna.
what?
Aye, kids! Aye, Captain! Aye, kids! Aye, Captain! I cannot hear you! Aye, Captain! Who lives in water under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants! Wait, yeah, I'm SpongeBob. Who's SpongeBob?
Can we play
Because
now? Hey!
I gotta kick
Is that a
you!
commercial? Oh my god.
I'm trying to copy. Sorry.
Just next na. Ibang video naman. Kasi last na. Oh! That monster shop versus my only sabi mo gano'n ka today it's the final
ouch.
fight.
Ouch.
Let's go now. Okay, let's do. Okay guys, this is the final round.
Wait.
What? I'm saying, let's play now.
Are you gay? Are you gay? Are you hey father, are you gay?
What?
Are you gay?
No,
If you're I'm gonna eat you.
but I have an idea. I knew how to know if a person is gay.
Wow.
Come here.
Wow!
Hey, everyone, kids, do you hear that? How he,
I gotta run!
How he shout?
Help me!
how he shout? That's what a gay shout. Okay, let's play it again.
No! Run!
Oh no, he's pretending to be a boy. Bah!
Tayo into the trash can!
Okay, let's proceed to the game. Bye bye. Hey, alright, where are you going? Let's see now.
Oh! I have a big idea. Wait. This truck first you. Don't mind. That truck is the loser. You know what my truck? Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Is that a truck? It's you. Hey, get out.
Yeah.
Get out there. Get out there.
Get us with this. I'm the winner. Yay!
I'm not your papa. I'm Scooby-Doo.
You're faster, Matt.
Okay.
And I have the last thing. Cricket. Bro.
Oh. Excuse me, kid. I think we will end up this video now because we haven't told her. And I'm so scared. Kid. Bye-bye.
What's that? Kids, don't worry, we're fine.
What are you saying? I lost my teeth and you're saying we're fine. Oh, I told you that you should lose that. Hey, what?
You have million of teeth and I have only. Look, I'm gonna count it, okay? 3, 2, 1, 6. And your is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Bye-bye,
20.
kids. Tomorrow again. Okay, bye-bye.
If you guys enjoy my YouTube channel with my pops, thank you. Enjoy my YouTube channel more.